Welcome to TDV8 Fixes. Today I will talk about something that most of all owners probably are very interested: how to induct a dynamic regeneration of your particulate filter when you want, not when the car tell you, please give a drive, I need a regeneration, or he's just doing that while you are traveling on the road. So I have bought this dongle, and it is very interesting because you can reset. There are two things you can do with that. You can reset all information, so your car will make a regeneration. If the level of Soot is too high for a normal regeneration, and your car will tell you you have to go to the dealer, you can reset it with this dongle as well. If you are not in this high level of Soot, then you are able to make a dynamic regeneration. But the good thing is you do it when you decide to, okay? And I will just show you how to do it. And for example, this thing should be connected to your OBD2 connection, but of course is not very practical. So I have bought a extension, okay, and that's what I will show you right now. But I have to stop it here and continue when I have connected, okay? So I have connected, and the car is off. It's not running. If you start the key to position 1 with this dongle connected, it will reset all information. So it doesn't matter which level of Soot you have in your DPF, it will be possible to make a regeneration, and the best part of it, without going to the dealer. And that's why, because I have bought it and because I love it. And you can find it on internet, okay? And the good thing is that if there is any software update, there is a USB. It is the same cable you need as you use in a old printer, okay? It's still connect by USB cable. And okay, so I will demonstrate. I will start the car to the position 1, and just doing that, this noise. And now, yeah, it says that you can connect it. All data or all Soot level information has been resetted. So when I drive the car now, as soon as the right speed and temperature have been reached, the car will make a regeneration. Okay? The other method is you connected it when the car is already running, and then you get a signal, a beep every couple of seconds, and it will be like that, showing that the regeneration has been started. And as soon as you have the right speed and the right temperature, dynamic regeneration will start. And when it's ready, it will give this signal like that, the one we just had it now. And okay, So it's very interesting. But I want to tell you one thing, my experience. The best way to make a dynamic regeneration, I know you have something in an owner's manual, but my experience is switch the gear manually for manual switch, shift, and put in the fourth gear and drive 120 kilometers per hour. If you are in UK, please, you should check how much is in miles. I don't know right now. And the regeneration will take about 20 to 25 minutes. It works. And there is one thing that I will probably show in another video. Every time your car regenerate, especially like that will do, you will see that your oil level, motor oil level, will increase. You have some diesel going to your motor oil. So I will for sure show how I solve this problem. I normally take some oil with a vacuum pump, and then I add some new oil, okay? And I keep always in a level just below the maximum, because I'm not sure, but there are some cars, I'm not sure with the Range Rover, there are some cars that will not regenerate if your oil level is too high, okay? Okay, so yeah, now I will make a drive and regenerate my particulate filter. Thank you for watching. This is how it works when dynamic regeneration will be done, okay? And it will go like that and give a continuous signal as soon as the regeneration is ready, okay?